So Kendall Bryce got a new toy today. I think she likes it. She doesn't know how to go forward yet, but I see you, baby girl. I see you. Go, go, go. Yay! Oh. Thinking she's liking the new mobility. Uh-oh. It's not a jumperoo, kid. Be careful. All right. Bye! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, KB. Bye-bye, KB. Kendall. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay.